All right, so this is the question, okay? You are having 8 exponent x plus 2 exponent x is equal to 130, okay? Now we know we can write 8 as 2 exponent 3. Okay, so this part of the equation becomes 2 exponent 3x plus 2x is equal to 130. Now if you are having a exponent b, okay, so this b and c are exponent. Okay, this is the same as a exponent c and then b is here. Okay, so this is equal to this. Okay, now let's apply this concept here. Okay, so you're going to have 2 exponent x cubed plus 2 exponent x is equal to 130. Okay, this is what we are going to have. Now, since we're having 2 exponent x here and then having 2 exponent x here, we can represent it with a variable. Okay, so we can say let y represent 2 exponent x. Okay, so wherever we see 2 exponent x, we are going to put y there. Okay, so you're going to have y cubed plus y is equal to 130. Okay, so this is the same as y cubed plus y minus 130 is equal to 0. Okay, now I've already told you in the previous video that sometimes the only way we find answers to equations is to keep on manipulating them. Okay, so here we are going to use a concept to proceed with solving. Okay, now minus 25 plus 26 gives us 1. Okay, now let's apply this concept here. So we can write y cubed minus 25y plus 26y minus 130 is equal to 0. Okay, this is what we have. Okay, now let's factorize. So we bring y out here. We have y squared minus 25 plus, okay, 26. We are left with y. 26 goes here 5 times is equal to 0. Okay, now if you check the equation carefully, you will see y squared minus 25. Okay, so we can manipulate this 25 and then have 5 exponent 2 or 5 squared. So you're going to have y open bracket y squared minus